Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for biology class. Begin by thoroughly understanding your syllabus, noting key topics and their weightage. Next, establish a consistent study schedule, aiming for at least 45 minutes of dedicated biology study each day. This regular practice builds strong foundational knowledge. Finally, break down complex chapters into smaller, more manageable sections. This approach makes learning less daunting and more effective, helping you absorb information step by step. To truly master biology, employ active recall by testing yourself without relying on notes. This strengthens memory retention significantly. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing topics at increasing intervals to solidify your understanding over time. Regularly draw and label diagrams. Visual learning is incredibly powerful for complex biological processes. For example, sketching the human heart or a plant cell helps embed structures and functions in your mind, making recall much easier during exams. Make your textbook your primary resource, reading chapters thoroughly and focusing on key definitions and concepts. Don't just skim, truly engage with the material. Solving past examination papers is crucial. It familiarizes you with question patterns, marking schemes, and helps you practice time management under exam conditions. Additionally, utilize reliable online resources for supplementary explanations and animated videos. These can clarify difficult topics and provide different perspectives, enhancing your overall comprehension of biology. As exams approach, form study groups to discuss concepts and clarify any doubts with your peers. Teaching others is a fantastic way to reinforce your own learning. Prioritize revision of high-weightage topics and frequently asked questions from previous years. Create concise revision notes or flashcards for quick review. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic socks and other great deals. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest before exams. A fresh mind performs significantly better than an exhausted one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.